Hi guys, you're welcome to Gamer X Cribs. So for those of you that have the low version PlayStation 4, that is the 9 point, the 11 point, the 6 point, and the 7 point, that your game just suddenly disappears from your games library and you can't find any. To make sure that the games are actually not deleted or formatted, just go to your storage to find out if the space is still occupied, just like this that I'm showing you on the visuals. You can see on this PlayStation, you can see the space is still occupied, but the games are nowhere to be found on the library. So this is like an easy step I'm trying to give you guys now. So you can see there's no game found on my library at all. There's no game, it just suddenly disappears. So firstly, you go to your Google and download the Apollo Save tool, just like so, just like the way I'm showing you right now. So you can go to GitHub and download it. Make sure you download the right file. Just follow the instructions on the video. Just like what I'm showing you. You scroll down, then you download. Then uh, after downloading, you get make sure that you get a flash drive and you format that flash drive as exFAT. You format it. Then after saving the file, then you copy the file to the flash drive. Make sure that the flash drive is already formatted to exFAT so that the PlayStation 4 can read the file. You get? So it's as easy as that. That's the only file you'll be needing. You copy it to your flash drive. The file is not that big, it's little. So you pull out the flash drive, then you plug it in. Make sure that your console is hacked already. If it's not hacked, all you need to do is to go to your web browser, just like so. Make sure that you apply your jailbreak to the console first. You understand? It's as easy as that. If you know your jailbreak is not working, all you need to do is just go and turn on your internet first. You can check your system information and make sure that everything is the downloading is unticked. You understand? If not, your console is going to automatically update itself. You understand? So all you need to do now, after you've confirmed that the auto download is unmarked, so you now connect to the internet. Like this console now isn't hacked yet. So I'm trying to connect to the internet so that I can load the jailbreak on the console. So that's why I'm connecting to the internet. For those of you that your own console is already hacked, it's already jailbroken, you can just follow the easy steps that will come in next after this. Right now, I'm just trying to explain to those that their console isn't hacked. So you go to your web browser now, and since it's connected to the internet, then we'll try loading the jailbreak right now. So I'm loading the jailbreak now. So it's as easy as that. So after the installation of the offline cache, so what you need to do next is to prevent your console from updating, you plug in your flash first, the hacking flash. Everybody has hacking flash. For those of you using the 11.00, I'm sure that you don't make use of flash drive. You make use of like the automatic dongle, the hacking dongle that we use these days. So firstly, you know how this works. You wait for it to pop up. So after plugging your hacking flash, this is for people that uses the 9.0. And then after it has hacked, pull out the hacking flash. Then you go back to your browser and turn off your internet, just like so that I'm showing you on the visuals. So you off your internet, turn off your internet, then you come back to your browser. Make sure that you carry the flash drive that you copied the Apollo Save tool. You understand that you can plug the Save tool into it. Right now the console is hacked already, so you go to your gold end and locate the Apollo Save tool, the package installer, and you install it. Then there's the file you install it, like the one you actually downloaded from the Google. So you wait for it to install. It's only going to take some few seconds to install. Then after it's done installing, you go to your gallery, and you launch the Apollo Save tool. So after launching the Apollo Save tool like this, you wait for it to open. Firstly, the steps is just very easy. So super easy. For those of you listening, please go on and subscribe to my channel. So where you need to go next is to go to your user tool. Then after coming to your user tool, you go to app.db, database management. So go to that place, you open it. Then after opening it, it should bring you to this dialog here. Then you select rebuild app database. The DB stands for database. Rebuild it. So you just click on it. You go down 3 times. Then you rebuild. All you need to do now is to log out from your account. Logging out is not going to affect you because it's a jailbroken console. So what you need to do is just go back to your main menu. When you go back to your main menu, you can close the Apollo Save tool. After closing it, then hold your button, your PlayStation button takes you to the power. Then you log out of your PlayStation account. So you wait for it to log out. Unlike before that we use Python to do this stuff, now it's easier using Apollo Save tool. Then you go to your user, then voila, you can find all your games here. All the games that disappeared earlier, they are now back to your game library. So you see, this is steps. I hope has been able to help you out, solve your problem that you've been having. Unlike before, whereby you need to have to format your system and do reinstallation back on your console. You understand? So most times you don't really need this Apollo Save tool on your console. You can delete it because it's of no use most of the time. After using, you can delete it out. So I hope I've been able to teach you guys something today. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please. My target is to hit like 1,000 subs. You understand? So that you guys need to encourage me so I can continue making more exciting videos like this and more educational videos like this. Thank you.